Hello. Welcome back to the hangar. Last time I spoke to you, it was with me flying an airplane, doing circuits anyways. And in that video, after watching it and all that, I've decided I have to make some changes for the future. Not for right now while I'm filming in the hangar, but for the future when I'm filming flying. You see, the video that you saw was me doing my first solo flights, and I was just doing circuits. I actually did another set of solo flights the next day. That was a Saturday flight that you saw, and then Sunday I was flying again. The Saturday flight, the recorder, or the camera that I was using to record audio that had the lapel mic in my earpiece, it's turned on and it started recording, but for whatever reason it stopped recording. So, the Sunday I set it all up again, and I started the recording, and I checked it, and then I double checked it, and after I finished my run up, I took a quick glance over. It says, yeah, well, the light's still flashing, it's recording audio. And it did record audio. Only it was absolutely horrible. The noise in the airplane was so much, even though I had headset on and it was blocking out most of that noise, the microphone was picking up that noise and it was cutting it out. So then when I was talking, my voice was cutting out. So it made it useless, unusable. So okay, I got to come up with plan B, something else. So I broke down and I purchased a digital voice recorder, and I purchased some cabling, what have you, so that I can plug into the aircraft intercom system and my headset and turn this digital voice recorder on and record audio clean right through the headset and everything else. Hopefully it all works. I haven't tried it out yet. I'm here today to experiment with my airplane. Now, I'm not going to start the engine or anything. I just want to see if it actually works and how well it works. And then I'm also going to have to figure out how to edit that together, because up until right now, this probably is going to be the very first video that I'm not using the video editing tool that I've been using all along, which is a free tool from Microsoft called Microsoft Movie Maker. Yeah, it's very old. Very limited, but it does the job and it's free. Anyways, so I have a new software I downloaded, which, by the way, there is a free version. It seems very, very powerful. I can't think of its name right now. I'll put it at the bottom which one it is, and that's probably the one I'm using right now, because that has the ability for me to have more than one camera clips put in, and then you synchronize it, and then I can take audio from an external source and synchronize that and all that kind of stuff. It's really fancy. I got to learn how to use it. And so I'm gonna do some experimenting here and see if I can add that audio to it, and then you out there in the world, let me know what you think of how it sounds. I'm going to listen to it ahead of time and evaluate myself, and I'll probably put my comments in there either as a voiceover or as something else, text or whatever else. I'm not sure, because I'm going to be using this new software. I'm not sure how to do voiceovers with this new software. So anyways, that is what I'm going to be doing today. Is I'm going to just play with this audio a little bit and see if I can get it ready for doing more flying videos, because what I currently had really sucks and doesn't work. So yeah, that's what this little update is for. That's all I'm going to do right now. I was going to do a little more work on the airplane, a few odds and ends here and there, but I'll just do that off camera. It's mundane stuff that you're probably not interested. So, yeah, so let me know in the comments what you think. And also, if you're watching this video and you have not clicked that subscribe button, it costs you nothing. I'm really hoping to get like over 1,000 before the end of the year. At first, I didn't care how many subscribers I had, because it didn't matter. But now it's like, gee, it's nice to have more people watching it. I'm kind of, a little showmanship in me's coming out. So, hit the subscribe button and the like button and leave a comment what you think the audio is going to be like. So, after this brief introduction into the video of what I'm going to be doing. So, let's pitter patter and let's get at her.
Okay, welcome back to this demonstration. Let's see how it works. I have here my little recorder that I've purchased, and right now you're listening to me through the intercom on the radio. It's something I've just noticed now, which I hadn't really considered. I'll tell you that in a minute, after I describe what I've got here. So anyways, it's a little recorder over here, and you can see the little meter going there that is recording audio, and essentially, this little recorder that I've got, you turn this slide switch on, and it turns it on and starts recording one switch. I thought, pretty good. Hey, I like that. So, this goes to the headset plug-in. There's a little Y adapter, so I plug plug one end into the intercom portion, and then it splits into Y. One side goes here to my headset for the earphones. The other half goes to the recorder. So whatever I hear gets recorded. Now, that being said, I'm not sure how the volume levels are right now. I'm probably going to have to play with them. I'm thinking that it's a little overdriven right now. But one thing I've noticed just as I'm doing this is you hear that static hiss in the background. Well, I'm going to stop talking for a second and watch what happens. Okay, so the static hiss went away. So this is using the intercom out of the radio, and that means that the Vox circuit breaks the squelch in order for me to hear what the microphone is picking up. So the passenger can hear and we can talk back and forth, but it also breaks the squelch at the same time on the radio. So, what does that mean? That means that static that you hear is actually the radio receiving, the reception portion of it. Let me switch. Yeah, I think that's okay. I'm gonna turn the squelch off on the radio. Okay, maybe it's not that. Well, no, it is. It's definitely a hiss coming from the intercom. And if I can hear it in the headset here, it's getting recorded, and I can see on the VU meter that if I stop talking, wow, it's actually quite a bit. So look at that VU meter, and as I'm talking, it bounces up and down. Now, if I stay quiet, notice how it still shows quite a loud level. Ooh, lightning. Oh, it's starting to rain outside. Okay, so I'm going to cut this short because I don't want to get soaked getting out to the car. So, yeah, I think this is working, and we'll find out in editing. Let me know in the comments what you think, but I think I'm going to have to make a redo of my intercom thinking. I might actually have to install an actual intercom system in here that'll be quiet, so then when passenger and pilot talk or I talk, there's no squelch to break and there's no hiss. Going forward next year when I do a lot more flying and I'll be narrating stuff for where I'm going, what lake I'm going to be landing at, that kind of stuff, the quality of the audio is going to make a difference. Right now I don't think the quality is good going through the intercom that's built into the radio. I think there's too much noise there. I might do some experimenting to see if I can get rid of that noise, but I don't think so. I think I'm going to have to install an actual intercom here in the airplane. Anyways, let me know in the comments what you think, and Thanks again for following along. I really do appreciate it. This will be a short video. And yeah, thanks for all the likes and subscribes and all the comments. And remember, keep your stick on the ice, and we'll see you again here in the hangar. Bye for now.